Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to try to do a quick tutorial on how to set up outfits for metahumans to be distributed on FAB. So we're going to start out here in just a project that I use for clothing assets. And you can set up your own project. Make sure that you set up for metahumans. And make sure that the Chaos Clothing Assets plugin is also activated. So I'm assuming that everybody's going to have these things, so let's just get right down to it. First thing you're going to do is create a folder and call it Outfits. This is the folder structure that's needed in order to use the Metahuman Manager. Inside that folder, as you see, I have one folder already, but I'm going to create a new folder, and I am going to call that Dress, because today we're going to do a dress. Inside that folder, I'm going to create another folder, and that folder is also going to be called Dress. We're going to go inside that folder, and then we're going to go to a folder that I have set up and contains a few different clothing items in it. And we have a pink dress here. We're just going to drag that right in and import, and it should give you your dress and all the different materials and textures that are involved with it. Normally right here I just do a save all, and I save everything. Now if you want, you can separate your materials and your textures into separate folders. That's fine if you want to keep things organized. I'm going to try to make this quick as possible. So first thing you're going to want to do is change this to a skeletal mesh. So we're going to just right click on this and convert to a skeletal mesh, and the binding mesh is going to be SKM body. Now because I previously done that on here, that is automatically put in. But the bind and mesh, you just click this down and you're going to look for SKM underscore body. There might be a couple of them. The one that you really want should be in the Metahuman folder here, where it's Metahuman character / body / so on. That's the one you're going to want, because that one's going to be in a central location on, in your project. So then you just click convert, and this will create a skeletal mesh using the dress. Now once that's done, just do another save. Just always making sure you save. So what we have here is SKM pink dress. Okay, one thing you want to make sure is that you conform to your folder structure name. It's just easier. So I'm going to take the pink out because our folder just says dress. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to right click here, and we're going to go to physics, and we're going to choose a cloth asset. And the cloth asset, and I'm going to name that CA underscore and dress. I'm going to open that up. Now all this here I'm just going to get rid of. Now you can use this, there's other ways of using all this that can give you a number of things like physics and stuff like that, but for this I'm just going to show you the basic setup. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to right click and I'm going to type in SKEL and I'm going to choose skeletal mesh import, and then we'll just scroll in on that, and then we're going to pull out from collection and we're going to go to cloth asset terminal. Okay, now then you're going to click back on skeletal mesh import and you're going to come over here and you are going to look for your skeletal mesh, in this case SKM dress. We click on that, and that will bring that in, as you can see here. And even though it says pink dress, it looks like a green one to me, but that's okay. So once you get that, you're going to save it and close it. Then do another save. Again, always saving just to make sure. Okay. Then the next thing you're going to do is right click again and you're going to go to physics again, only this time you're going to choose outfit asset. And then outfit asset, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go with OA and underscore dress. Don't mind my slow typing. Now when you hit enter, you're going to have these options. If you choose a simple outfit, it's just going to be an outfit that can fit on the character. Choose resizable outfit. That way you can use it on a number of different characters. Okay. So we're going to go and open up this OA underscore dress. Now we're going to come over here and we're going to check on sized outfit. Then we're going to hit the plus element. Now when you click the arrow, you have a couple of options here. The first one, you're going to choose your dress. So we want CA dress. Okay, that's what you want to choose. They'll bring that dress in the frame here somewhere, and right there. Okay, then you're going to come down to this other source, and in here you're going to choose the SKM underscore and body again. Okay, and you want to choose this one if there's two options, and this might take a few minutes, anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes to actually connect to the cloth asset. So if this gets too long, then I will just forward fast it. Okay, so once this is finished, then you're going to save. Close that off. And now what we're going to do is we're going to move this asset up one level. Okay, so we're going to take it from this level and we'll move it to that level there, right under outfits, the first folder of dress. And you're going to move it there, not copy it there, because when you move it, what it's going to do is it's going to change all the references in the asset in order to point it towards this folder properly. This one's here. Now the last thing you're going to do is you're going to right click, you'll go to Metahuman, you will go to Advanced, and you will pick Metahuman Wardrobe Item. And now we're going to do the same thing, WI Wardrobe Item, and we're going to call it Dress. Double click on it, and now you're going to look for, again, Dress, and what you're going to want is OA Dress right here. in this case. Okay, there's a number of them here. As you can see, I've got others. And then you're going to choose the default outfit pipeline. And if you look under here and you see this pipeline here, you're going to see it automatically chooses the Metahuman Outfit Editor pipeline. So if you see that other option up here, Metahuman, you're better off choosing this. This works better for resizing. Okay, then you save. Close. And now you are set up so that you can take this outfit and package it and sell it online. And the way you do that is come up to Window, go to Metahuman Manager, okay, and then go to Outfit. And under Outfit, you'll see your dress. Should look like that. Everything should show up. You hit Verify, and as you can see, it packages it up. Now it's probably going to give you warnings, because it does. There's certain things that it's going to pick up on that are just little details. If you want to go through those warnings and try to correct them, that's up to you. But once you get this blue package, you know that this is good enough, this is usable enough to put online, and that somebody will be able to use it on their product, on their Metahuman, and it should resize automatically. So once you hit package, it's going to give you an option of where you're going to put it, so on and so forth. It's going to make a Metahuman package, and you are on your way to selling your first asset. So that will be all for today. I hope I made it as short and sweet as possible for you. If you like it, give me a like. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe, and I will see you again the next time.